Hi everyone! Welcome back to my corner. Today we have an exciting video. I just received the CatLadyBox for the month of March, so we are going to open this together. This month there was a delay in the shipping for one item, I think, so I received the box quite late, so that just makes me want to open it even more. So let's dive in right away. Okay, so we have this little card here. Okay, so it's all the prices. I'm not gonna check this for right now. We're just gonna check what's inside. Oh, the cats are coming. So what do we start with? Oh, so we have a little toy. It's kind of like a little basket with gold. So it's the Lucky Pot of Gold catnip toy, exclusive by CatLadyBox. It's $6. So it's super cute. Where are the cats? Oh, my cat is peeing. Put it here. The second thing oh, it's a wireless charger pad. What? Hey. He's like, it's mine. Oh, you want another one? I don't have another one. Don't destroy it. Hey, don't destroy it. So the cats are already playing with the toys. So I'm just gonna open it to see what it looks like. Oh, there's one. Oh, what is this? There's something here. I don't know what this is. Looks like glue or something. That's super nice. I can't wait to see if it works with my phone. Okay. They are always making this so more difficult than it should be. Oh my god. Alice, stop it. Stop. Okay, so it's the Kitty Cat wireless charging pad, exclusive by CatLadyBox. It's $23. Stop. You're making so much noise. So it's $23. I'm super happy I didn't have one of these. So I'm gonna have to test if it works. The next thing I see is this here. I think it's how do you call that? It's Perfect Cat Bamboo Trivet Protect countertops from Sizzly Treats with our bamboo cat trivet. grab it for backyard barbecue, indoor table decor, or even use it like a mega coaster wherever drinks pile up. It's $15. So it's wood, it's bamboo, and there are little cushions. And it says Cat Lady on the back. This is super cute. I'm probably gonna use this because I cook a lot, so that's really nice. This is so cute. This is a butterfly. So it's a little toy that looks like a butterfly. It says Meow Narc Butterfly Catnip Toy. It's $6. Let's put it here. Wait, this way. So it's a bottle, a water bottle. I have so much of these. It's crazy. It's like everyone is giving these everywhere. So, but this one is cute. So it's pretty nice. I don't really use these because, well, right now I work at home, but I never know where to put it. Like it's not very like convenient for me. If I go like shopping, I don't know where to put it. It's super heavy. It's gonna be in my purse. I never know where to put this. I don't train, or like I don't do anything that I need water everywhere I go. If I go just walk, there's nothing to hold on to this. So I always find these a little bit like, I think it's a weird trend. At least if there was something to carry it, I don't know. But I think it's super cute. At least it's prettier than the ones that I have in my kitchen right now. So the bottle is $25. It's an exclusive by CatLadyBox. So this is this. And I think it's the last item. It's a shirt. I didn't see it. What does it say? It says be kind. Oh, that's cute. Oop. I don't know if you remember last time or the first time, I don't remember which. I told you that I didn't like colors that were really tight here. And I was talking about the fact that I loved ones that were more like triangle, and this one is like that. So that's super nice. This one is it's medium, but it looks very large. So it's gonna fit. By the way, today I'm wearing a cat shirt. It's psychedelic. So the Be Kind t-shirt is $20. It's an exclusive by CatLadyBox. My cat wants to hate it. What's going on? So see, this is what I meant by triangular collars. So the t-shirt is really cute. It's super soft. I always love the materials that they use for the t-shirts. It's super, super comfortable. I really love the pink t-shirt. It's super soft. I love this one. I didn't use the first one yet, but I'm super happy with the quality of these. I think they are really nice. So again, Cat Lady doesn't disappoint. Everything is super nice. Everything is super quality. The toys are super cute. The cats have been playing with them ever since I got them out of the box. Even like Alice went in the box to get them. So again, like super satisfied with the box. I can't wait to try this. This is gonna be super cute in my kitchen. The t-shirt for sure I'm gonna use. Like I wear t-shirts to sleep, so of course it's gonna get used. This is the only thing that I may not use. But if I ever want to bring water somewhere, this is what I'm gonna grab instead of the green that I have that is kind of ugly. So this is it, guys. This was the March CatLadyBox, the crazy CatLadyBox. Hey! JC. Nico. So sorry, I just went to separate them. I think the toys are making Nico very like, I need to put my energy somewhere. And he just attacks Alice because she's smaller than him. So anyway, so the little card says, because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. So it says Human Society of Weld County, Cat Rangers, the Cat Shack, For Paw Love, and Wren Rescues. So that's super nice. That means that all the, maybe not all the money, but some of the profits that they make goes to the rescues for cats. So that's really, really nice. I forgot to say that the drawing, the card here, is featured cat lady artist Louise Pigot. Sorry if she's from Cambridgeshire in UK. She has 3 fur babies. So guys, this is it. This was the crazy CatLadyBox for March. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you want to follow me, you can subscribe to my channel. You can also hit the bell button to get notification. Please leave a comment down below, and I will see you next time.